army of Gigi scary? Why would that be scary? Wouldn't you love to see 5 million little tiny Gigis running around? Like, yay, yay, yippee! Fights all your electronical wires, pulls out the internet router cable, knocks over your PC tower, yay, yay, yippee! Unplugs your fridge, turns off your AC during the summer, yay! Gets sheep,
Surely there is more for you to learn beyond this.
Don't rush into it or you will die. Hubris will kill you. Patience is the mark of a good gamer. I will be doing a karaoke one day. One of my party tricks is that I am actually really, really good at singing songs at 2 times speed. Yeah, there's no way this is like Dark Souls. Just because a game has dodging doesn't mean it's like Dark Souls, guys. This is just like Genshin Impact. This is what's wrong with society. We just see a hot new game and we're like, this is the Dark Souls of visual novel rhythm gaming. This is not the Dark Souls of crabs. This is just a game just like other genres. Genshin Impact. Yeah, you die when you lose health? That's just like real life. That's like real life. Well, wake up, sheeple! It's not like Dark Souls though. Where's my souls? She has lipstick on? And her lipstick is in the shape of a heart. Banana. 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 You think he's gonna like it if I pop off though? He's not gonna like when I pop off. He's not gonna like when I pop off. He's not gonna like it if I pop off though. Bring my shell. He's gonna bring my shell. Owie! Owie! Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna pop off right here. I popped off. I did pop off. That was green to get my second pop off. I'm not reading. I haven't been reading. Guys, what do you say? Something about fish. I got so distracted by voice acting that I actually forgot to read. Ka! Ka ka! Ka ka! One yummy fish. Meow. Meow. Ka ka! Ka! Ka ka! Meow. Meow. Ka ka! Ka! Meow. 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 Ka! 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 Since the game put the thought in our head, we must think about that thought. And that's how philosophers are made. That's how the best philosophers are made. They just started thinking one day, and they're like, what if? You know? What if the world was a better place because we were better people? Or what if the world is trash because we're all gonna die anyway? That is how philosophers think. Another cat.